So there's this search filter here. It's a selection. It helps in filtering selections. For I'm going to show you how to turn it off. For example, now I can't select this sketch segment. So for me to be able to select this sketch segment, I just come to filter sketch segment, and then I'm able to select it. Alternatively, one can turn off all the selection filters. So you just click here, or you can only can click F5 F5 on the screen, and then you'll be able to see this tab where you can able to turn on or turn off. So right now let me click it, F5. So I'm able to select here the filter. So right now the filters is turned off, so it can select anything you would like to select. Yes, thank you.